I spy homes, although I haven't spied any homes lately. I've been busy, my hours at work changed, and I know you guys probably thinking, man, what happened? That's what happened, life. Things at work, it's actually going on 4 o'clock, and this is usually my bedtime. I've been on vacation. I go back to work tonight. I'm here in my garage. As you can see, my Harley in the background. It's getting to be riding season. And I've been taking time out addressing things here at the house. I've been here, if you watch my channel, when I did a review on this house, and the people that build these homes, the Vallettas, it's a husband and wife. I think the last couple of uploads I did was the house that they built across the street from me. And these homes are selling like hotcakes. And I am sorry for those who fell for that build back better. Joe Biden ain't building nothing, he tearing down. But not to get political, because that's not what this channel is about. But anyway, like I said, I've been working on my Harley. This is a 2015 Street Glide. As you can see, I put in a new headlight, just trying to make it to where I can be seen. I had the old Daymaker headlight on here. I've been upgrading, you know, using the Pro Glow Custom Dynamics LEDs. So this thing is a whole lot brighter, as you can see. Yes, I can be seen. I also installed the windshield LED light, some rear facial lights. See, when I bought this bike, they were on the Streamline. This is the Streamline products right here. I took all that stuff off. I'm actually waiting for a part from UPS. They got me waiting all day because there's one more thing that I have to do. The rear of this bike, as you can see down here where the license plate go, I'm cleaning all of that up. I had the old, even though these are LEDs right here, I want it to be clean. So Custom Dynamics sell a license plate eliminator kit, which eliminates these lights, and you have the signals on the rear of the license plate. But anyway, here at the home front, as you can see, I'm fully moved in. I did my own custom shelves with some little boards. Got everything up off the floor. These are things you can do, you know, at your home yourself to save your money. You know, stop spending money on things you can do. Just have a little courage, you know, be adventurous. Just think, you know, I can do that. I had flooding issues. I think I told you guys about that when I bought this house, because my house goes down like on a slope. And yes, I was digging a trench to take care of the flooding out here. Which is not really done yet, but I put in some catch basins. Also feeling like a Texan, went and got me a F-150 truck. Customized it. Added my little touches to it. So yeah, I've been busy. Also extended my driveway. So the next thing I'm getting ready to do is add a carport, because I don't want my new truck baking in the sun. But just to give you guys an update, that's the whole point of this video. There was a house built down here. It sold like a hotcake, because I thought I was gonna go in there and look in it. You see the new fence down there? People that already moved in. They got another one down there on the corner. I think the little husband and wife that sold me this house built that house too, but I'm kind of thrilled because I've been seeing black people out there work, and normally they have an all Mexican crew, but on the entrance to get to my neighborhood, I think it's Alta Homes. They got a whole planned community that's coming, but right now the only thing they got in there is driveways, and as soon as that first model home goes up, I will go over there. Since I don't have to drive, like I told you before, I moved 45 minutes out from where I was, and that's even further from where the builders around here normally build, which is like Plano, Frisco, Allen, and all that. I'm actually east, like heading towards Louisiana. So as you know, with Build Back Better, I don't even see how people fell for that, but gas prices is out of control. So, but when that community gets going, and hopefully this house, once they start on the interior and get the sod laid and all of that, and the driveway poured, I will try to go in there and let you guys see it. Someone had asked me before on one of my videos, how can they get in touch with these builders, because they really like my home and what they like to offer, because you get it for so much more. Like a house like this, which is 1,782 square feet, I only paid $212,000. On average, this home is like 250. D.R. Horton and all these others with the bigger names, these bigger builders, that's what you're gonna pay on average, 250 and up. So the equity in my home already, I've been in here a year and a half, I'm already at that. So get the most bang for your buck. But that's how I'm gonna end it, because as you can see, I got work to do on this motorcycle. I'm trying to get this eliminator kit installed, because I have to get in the bed. I gotta be to work at 1 a.m. So I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know what was going on. As soon as I'm able to, I'll try to get in that house down the street. And like I said, you just have to check Zillow to catch these houses in this area. You have to look for homes that are offered by the Valletta Incorporated or something like that. And that's how you'll find these people, because they don't advertise, they don't have a website or nothing like that. They're not big. Like I said, it's just a husband and wife, but they build a lot of homes in this area, and that's how you can catch up with them. And until then, I will catch you guys on the next one.